I went from making $300 the first year to $200,000 last year. I've been doing it part-time.
It's important for me to have my son involved in this business. A rig like this would cost you about $65,000, $70,000. It's a dual moneymaker. You can pressure wash and you can clean trash cans.
How much you want to hustle. Go in a neighborhood and look for dirty driveways and offer them a special to clean their driveway. That'll get your foot in the door.
If you have no budget to start with and you want to get started, go rent a machine for $100 a day and then go wash 5 or 6 driveways and then turn around at the end of the day and buy your own machine. You're looking at $600 to $800 for your equipment, a pressure washer and a surface cleaner.
My first trailer build was around $20,000, which at the beginning I financed it. I don't think there's anything wrong with that to get started. It's gonna make you money. As long as you're eager enough to get out there and get the work, you're gonna make that money back pretty quickly.
So we're here at my monthly account. I do 3 dumpsters on this property, get all the stains and stuff that are all on the ground. I get that up, put some degreaser, and get it clean. Each dumpster I charge $150. If you can land some dumpster pads, in a plaza, if you're doing all of them dumpsters in one day, that could be an easy $1,000 in one day.
The way we came up with pricing per square footage is really set by the industry. Typically when we give a quote, we do it remotely with Google Earth. We can take measurements.
Some jobs I'll look at and I can just tell how long it's gonna take and I'll price it that way and how much chemical it's gonna take. A lot of jobs I do square footage and I've just kind of raised the prices incrementally, throughout the years with the market.
I had a customer call me like 2 weeks ago, actually. They said they had like 40 properties and I told them if they gave me a bundle of say 40 houses, I'd do them for $40 a piece. So that's great savings. He was like, "Are you sure?" And I was like, "Yeah, I'm sure," because he'll always use me again. He'll refer me. And sometimes you take the hit to the next step or the next level.
Marketing for me is a lot easier proposition than it might be for other people because that's what my background is in. All of our visibility is driven through search engines, through optimization of the website for keywords. Even customers don't know whether it's called power washing or pressure washing. The important thing is that your website, when they're looking for you, contains those words on your website. So find out what are the keywords that are driving the most traffic, and there's plenty of tools and resources out there for you to do that. The best tool to use, and it's free, is the Google Keyword Planner tool. Primarily, it's going to be your geographic location plus the service.
There's maggots in trash cans, which is unique to Texas.
We went through this little back alleyway area. It was nasty. Their trash can was gross. I'll just have to think if I just do this and get it over with for today, then tomorrow I'll know I'll be able to do it.
By the time he's 18, he'll have 15 years experience in pressure washing, trash can cleaning, so he'll be able to take it over and running his own business that he helped build. And it makes me happy that I know that he's on the right track.